I'm Matthew Jonathan, and today I'm going to be doing a product review on the Absolut Repair shampoo and mask from Loreal. Formulated for very damaged, weakened hair, this product has a lipidium complex, and what this does, it goes into the fibers of the hair, repairs them, strengthens, and it also protects the cortex of the hair from further damage. It does not come in a conditioner, but just a mask. And the reason for this is if you use it instantly and comb it through your hair, it's a conditioner, and if you leave it for 5 minutes, it becomes a treatment. To apply this product, you want to have towel dried hair. The towel drying really helps as well. If your hair is soaked with water, it's not going to absorb the treatment and it's just going to be rinsed down. Also, if you massage it through the hair and comb it through, you're getting the conditioner treatment evenly spread through the hair.